Here we see the AVA workbench with the assembly view to the left that shows execution traces as well as static control flow information. To the right, we see the new comments view. We begin by setting the preference to retrieve comments in our diagrams. Now we will load a trace file to open it. First, we look at the control flow of injection within the Mariposa botnet and see that comments are being loaded. Once the diagram opens, we can see that both calls and lifelines are annotated with stars that represent their comment activity. Red stars have less than 10 comments. Gold stars have 10 or more, but less than 25. And green stars have 25 or more. In order to load comment threads, we double-click on the call or lifeline and see that it opens in the Comments view. Here we see the associated thread ID and also that one person commented that virtual alloc x is used to allocate memory to inject code into. We can see that virtual alloc x is an imported function by the eye icon next to it, as well as by expanding the top bar to see what file it resides in this case kernel32.dll. Looking at a more popular thread, we double-click on NT Write Virtual Memory. Posts are ordered from newest to oldest, so scrolling to the bottom we can follow the discussion. Here we see that Mariposa uses direct code injection and injects into explorer.exe, but other processes can be used. We can also see that posts can be made anonymously. Looking at another diagram construct, we will open another trace file for server communication. Server communication contains a cycle which we can see outlined in red with the text "one comment" on it. Double-clicking it will bring up its comment view. The outline color also changes based on the number of comments. Finally, let's look at how we can create comments by asking other users to explain get tick count. So we will scroll over, double-click on the associated lifeline, and type, "Does anyone know what this function is used for?" If someone comes along that knows the answer, they can sign in and then they can respond with their comments. We can also delete our own posts when logged in by clicking on the associated red X.